Okay, so I'm going to show you how to blur a video in Davinci Resolve. So if you want to blur a password, the username, or anything like that. So let's go to Davinci Resolve. I've got just test clip here. So let's drag that in. So as you can see, if I skip forward, there's the username, starting to type the username. So we want to blur out that section. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to make a copy of this video. So you press Alt and you drag your mouse to the top. It makes a copy. You're going to work on this top clip. Right, once that's done, you come to this section here that says color. Right, and then you want to make a copy of this box as well. So all you have to do is press Alt and S and makes a copy. So you're going to work on this. This is your blur. What should we call this? I don't know what you call this, but anyway, you're going to work on that. This is the clip that you've copied, so you're going to work on that one and not your original. Right, so once that is done, you come to this section here with the circle thing window, and now you can choose the boxes that you want to use, circles, squares, whatever. I usually just use the drawing tool. So you can zoom this in a bit with your scroll wheel, and then you can put down the section that you want to be blurred out by just connecting all these dots. And then once that's done, you can fine tune it by dragging it into that section. Right, so it will blur out that section for you. So once that's done, you can actually come to this section here that says blur and then radius. So you can push this bar up. So let's just go to where I'm starting to type the username. There's 2 letters there, so you can push this up and see it's blurring that out. It's a bit showing still, so I can go back here. Just drag this up. Drag this thing to this. There. Drag it a little bit over. Okay. So that's all blurred out. As you can see, it's blurred out. Okay, so you're done in here. Now you can just come back to your editing side. So obviously, if we just zoom this. If you want to zoom this clips out, just drag this a little bit there. So there's a transition to the next page once I'm logged in. So obviously I don't want that blur element to be on this this side of the clip. So I want it to disappear as soon as I go over. So use your arrow keys just to go to that section. So it's definitely here. So I wanted to stop the blur element there. So it's obviously on this top clip. You drag this back. And it will be gone. So if you scroll, you can see now it's completely blurred and it disappears in this section. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay.